that you can use Bing Chat to help you write actions and consideration. You should integrate Vice Feline Utility AI for Unity or Unreal, because just saying Vice Feline, it doesn't get it. So ask it how to create a Here I asked it to write a consideration for Unreal, which does line of sight. It's not fully correct code, but it tells you almost what to do. So you can see that, okay, you can have a function which uses line traces. The previous time I searched, it actually used the perception system to see if somebody is being hit or not, and if nothing else is getting hit, then it should return 1, otherwise it should return 0. And if you search different times, it gives totally different results. Did the same with Unity. The first time gave me a raycast and then gave me one using a visibility map. Let's see how good is at making this example action. Because I said example and didn't say anything specific, doesn't matter much. We will add some of our example actions and considerations to GitHub repos, so hopefully helps this learn better. So it made them move to target action. Not bad actually. And if, for example, it says, okay, it says execute, and you know that the method that you should write about is update, not execute. Not bad. So it can be helpful. If you ask it, for example, I don't know how to reduce the delay between update targets, it will give you good answers because it learned from our docs. And we didn't do anything for it, so it just did automatically. We added it to our search engine optimization person, added our website to Bing, but that's it. We didn't do anything regarding Bing Chat, but it learned a good deal, despite the fact that we do not have too much on the internet available to learn from. And it's not an open source project, so yeah, it's kind of amazing and can be helpful.